Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious chicken macaroni soup recipe. And here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have half teaspoon of black pepper powder, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of onion and garlic powder, 2 pieces of chicken legs, carrots cut into cubes, celery, cabbage, and 400 ml fresh milk, 5 cloves minced garlic, 2 pieces of onion cut into cubes, and macaroni. Let's get started. Here I prepared boiled water. Let's boil our chicken. Let's add teaspoon of salt. Once you see the foam, let's remove the foam. Once it's cleared from the foam, let it boil until the chicken becomes tender. Now let's check our boiled chicken. I think it's done. Now let's remove it from the cooking pot. Put it on the plate. Set aside and let it cool down. Wait. Once the chicken cool down, let it shred. Shred it. Be careful. Make it sure that it's totally cooled down. Do not get burned. And done. Keep aside. In our pan, let's put butter. And add a little bit of olive oil. Let's fry our onion. Let's fry a little bit. Let's add our garlic. Mix it. Once it's released the aroma, let's add our carrot. Fry for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, let's add our celery and fry also for about 1 minute. And after 1 minute, let's put our shredded chicken, add our prepared seasoning, mix it. Add our macaroni. And add our chicken broth. And let's boil for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, let's add our fresh milk. And add our cabbage. And now let's shake a little bit and let it boil again for another 20 minutes. Let's check our chicken macaroni soup, and it's done. And now let's put it on a serving plate. Now let's put it on a serving plate. And our delicious chicken macaroni soup recipe is ready to serve.